How you doing? My name is Brian Martin, owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. We do a lot of door replacement projects. Probably the most popular door replacement project we do are side garage doors, so single entry doors. So how much does a single entry fiberglass door cost? Usually it costs around 4,000 to 5,000, depending on the final door style. Our goal is to put you in a fiberglass door so it doesn't rust and some type of rot-proof material for the frame. We also do front doors that usually will be the fiberglass door with side lights, maybe even side lights and a transom. Those can range all the way up to $10,000 to $12,000, possibly even more. But on average, your typical home for a fiberglass door for a single is $4,500 all the way up to about $10,000. If you have any questions, please reach out to us anytime.